Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today. We are on episode 2 of the 3-part series here in Koh Phangan. Today, we'll be going to Muay Thai, Koh Ma Beach, and a special Barracuda dinner tonight. Stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe to get more travel-related content. Ruby the Red Ridge Racer is ready to go. Good morning from Koh Phangan, day 2, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second episode of a 3-episode series. Cool, huh? Today we're going to be doing some Muay Thai, and then we're going to be getting out into the wild forest, maybe fly the drone, see what we can do. So we're going to start the day here at Evolve Gym, located on Koh Phangan. They've got all the machines as well as Muay Thai in the back. Today there's also an ice bath and a sauna. 2 ice baths and a 3rd ice bath. Training in the jungle. 1 hour Thai boxing, half-hour weightlifting, and now we might do a little ice bath and some sauna before these afternoon thunderstorms come in, and then it's nap time and we're off to our next adventure. Chocolate protein shake down, and I was driving right here along the road and I smelt this chicken right on the grill. So I'm gonna pick up a couple chickens to go, bring them back to the hotel and start video games. What an exciting day. Muay Thai, Muay Thai, Muay Thai. So there's this viewpoint I've been wanting to go see and fly the drone from, and it's also really close to one of the Sandbar Islands, one of the most famous, beautiful, picturesque spots here in Koh Phangan. And so I got the drone charged, I got the X360, let's go. GPS, and then off we go now. Quick, easy drive. Everybody seems to be parking right here, so I'm gonna park here, and it's I don't know, 400 meters up, I guess. Let's go. Decided to drive up the path, which was a good idea, but we've arrived here and there's a really cool abandoned hut behind us, but then there's like a mega incline. I'm not driving the bike up that, so I think it's time to start walking. Okay, gives me confidence we're on the right path. Steps and I see a building or a structure. It says viewpoint.
I don't think that's an issue. I'm from sometimes more famous right here. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Hey.
Whew, all right, so it was a hike and it felt like we were gonna get lost, but why don't you take a look at that? And then we're gonna go ahead and send the bird in the air. Get ready. Well, that was pretty cool. Now I know that we need to head directly that way in order to get to the beach that has the crossing. Had Mai or something. I'll figure out the name and put it in the description. But this viewpoint might be one of the top viewpoints here in Koh Phangan. Absolutely delicious coffee. I added cinnamon and brown sugar with a little bit of milk. Freshly brewed coffee right here on the top of the Koh Ma viewpoint. So if you're in Koh Phangan, come up to the Koh Ma viewpoint, but now it's time to go down to the Koh Ma Beach, which is off right here at the parking lot so she can hang out with all the other bikes. And it looks like we've got to come over here to Wang Sai Resort and then make our way this way to the Koh Ma Beach. You got to walk through this restaurant across this bridge, and it's going to drop you right here at Koh Ma Beach. Looks like Wang Sai Resort. All right. Gotta walk down here to go to this special little sandbar crossing. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, I'll take you there. This is the Koh Ma Beach at the Wang Sai Resort. I'm just gonna walk along the beach to get there because the sand is quite hot today. That feels nice. This is the famous Koh Ma Beach, where you've got the island split. There's plenty of food and drink, and you can swim on either side of the split. Nice place to come and hang out, catch a tan, and enjoy the views. So if we're rating Koh Ma on a beach scale, I'm gonna say the sand is pretty rough. Water seems fine, and a difficulty rating to get to, if you ride your moto and park and do the walking, it's about a 6. And so what I'd say is there's a lot more beaches that are smaller and privater and quieter on this island, where you could probably have a better full day experience. But if you want to come see the split, come see the split. Let me know what you do in the comments and if I can help you out. See you soon. It's time for me to head back to the hotel, take care of a little business, and then we're gonna go down and get a foot massage because these pups are working. Foot massages are the best. They really help alleviate stress and pains in areas that you didn't know really needed attention. They can tell if it's your kidney or your back or your neck based on the little spot they push on your foot. Foot massage is amazing. I'll go ahead and invite you guys for a quick intro to my massage lady when we get there. Well, that's all the video from here. Make sure you stay tuned for that Barracuda dinner tonight right on the beach. Welcome to my life, ladies and gentlemen. This is a sneak peek, inside scoop of the American Travel Guy. So what we got going on here is a bunch of firmware updating. Dee-doo. Updating firmware. And then we're downloading content. Oh, and we're transferring content. And we're uploading content. And we still have an Apex mouse on the road. What? As soon as we can get all this content transferred, I'm gonna go ahead and take you down for dinner. I think we might just go with a green curry tonight. I'm not really feeling a full fish. I'm gonna be going. We gotta give the drone a nice little blanket to cover up in there. Go night-night. Speed bump. I hate this hill. This thing is steep. I feel the wind's picking up. I need to swing by the front desk to arrange my taxi tomorrow down to the Pure because I'm transferring hotels. So you'll get to see that experience. But the hotel has been so fantastic. Saladburi Resort, let me tell you right here. Saladburi Resort. Laundry, moto, food. I mean, they take you to the room in a golf cart, right on the beach with a great pool. Customer service has been outstanding. Let me get this handled. I'll put a review on this later. The sunset just keeps getting better and better. We have arrived. We're not doing the Barracuda tonight. The winds are picking up pretty heavy, but I did score this front row seat for dinner. Little bit of green curry chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those veggies. Big chilies in there, eggplants, green beans, carrots, spinach, and lime leaves, green lime leaves. Spread this rice out just like so. And then we're just gonna lather this green curry directly over onto the bed of rice. The green curry is amazing. And I ordered a Sprite. Wow. The wind is really picking up. This green curry is 5 stars though. Well, that's it for episode 2 of our journey. Stick around, episode 3 is coming up next with even more adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss it.